Okay guys, I just got my ordered from Amazon.com WORKPRO, and I got this for $15, and I'm gonna open this up so you will see what's inside. This is the benefits of being a member Amazon deals on my Facebook group. Join Facebook group Amazon Steals and Deals. Every day there is a code there will be given out, and this is one of the products that I got from Amazon. This was like $30 something, and I only got this for $15. So let's open this. Here we have thank you card. There's the booklet manual for that. Oh, look at this. I like that when it's very tiny. Perfect for my small hand. Wow. There's the power button right here. You can hang this. Okay, it came with a small basin. It's kind of big, kind of heavy. Wow. Feels like 1 pound. And it came with this one. Like there's a magnet in there. Tiny wrench. More of this grinding, sanding thing. And what's in here? Oh, look. This is just what I need for my arts and crafts. And let's turn this around. Wow, take a look at this. For $15, this is super cheap. Very great deal, man. I have 4 different kinds of long nose here. Let's take this one. Yeah, I like that. Oh, I also like how it, see that spring? This is perfect for my wiring things. If I need to work on wires and stuff, perfect for that. All right, what we have here? Oh, this one alone is cost $5 on Hobby Lobby. Wow, what's the other one? Tinier version of that. Cool. Also, we got 4 different kinds of blades here, and they are individually in individual container. I like that. That's wonderful. Anyhow, thank you for watching. Don't forget to join my Facebook Amazon group. It is Amazon Steals and Deals. Thank you for watching.